Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and software. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best screen recorder for your PC or laptop available on the market. Introducing the Screen Recorder Ultimate by Markt Technik. This software is a game-changer when it comes to capturing your computer screen effortlessly. Whether you're recording video tutorials, gaming sessions, or online classes, this software has you covered. Let's talk about what sets Screen Recorder Ultimate apart from the rest. Firstly, it allows you to record videos and take screenshots of your computer screen with crystal clear quality, including sound. But what really makes this software shine is its versatility. You can choose to record the entire screen or just a specific area, giving you full control over your recordings. Plus, you can highlight the movement of your mouse, making it easier for your audience to follow along. And here's the kicker. Screen Recorder Ultimate lets you record your webcam and seamlessly insert it into your screen recording. This feature is perfect for adding a personal touch to your videos or live streams. But wait, there's more. Editing your recordings has never been easier. With Screen Recorder Ultimate, you can add arrows, texts, lines, rectangles, and more to enhance your project. Say goodbye to complicated editing software. This program makes it a breeze. Now, let's talk compatibility. Screen Recorder Ultimate is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So, no matter what system you're running, you can enjoy all the benefits this software has to offer. As you can see, Screen Recorder Ultimate is receiving rave reviews from users all around the world. From its ease of use to its powerful features, it's no wonder why this software is a top choice for content creators everywhere. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed screen recorder for your PC or laptop, look no further than Screen Recorder Ultimate by Markt Technik. With its seamless recording, editing, and compatibility features, it's truly a game-changer in the world of screen recording software. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.